Good day, ma'am. This is my video presentation about activity 3, which you have to choose an organization and uh, draw a diagram in the organization. For me, I choose Shell gasoline station somewhere in Pagadan City because they're using computerized processing system now. So first is for their organizational chart. Ang highest position is the owner, next is the manager, next is the cashier. So the cashier is the uh, controller of all the parts because na dito niya ang server. So matawag siya og two-tier because na siya server og mga clients, wala siya network. So ang cashier na siya PC sa kabuok, tapos siya ang nag-control sa tanan. Client 1 which is the pump 1, client 2 which is the pump 2, client 3 for pump 3, and client 4 for pump number 4. So every pump na siya yung mga pump boys na nagserbisyo. Ang mga pump boy mo yung operate. So kung ang cashier dili niya i-allow si pump number 1 or the client 1, so dili ma-load ang gasoline. So muna ang kalahian sa ilang computerized processing system. So each client mo entertain sila mga customers for client 2, for client 3, and so on for client 4. So matawag sila og two-tier architecture ilang forma. Kay server man o client, so ang cashier ani mo siya controls og mo sa data og ma-accept sa mga entries for the loading of the gasoline. So that's all for number 1. So next is the question number 2. What is inside my smartphone? So in my smartphone, there is a battery, and there is the memory and storage, and system on chip or the SoC. Next is the display, na siya display LCD. Next is the modem. So napod siya ay camera. So ang gigamit niya nga camera, ang camera dahil nada siya mga lens. So gikan sa 1 paingon sa G6 mo siya. Then next is the sensor. Napod siya sensor which is the kay touchscreen man na siya, accelerometer sensors, temperature sensors, color sensors, humidity sensors, proximity sensors, and touch sensors, especially if your mobile phone is touchscreen. There is sensors, touch sensors, gyro sensors, and magnetometer sensors. So this is the model of the smartphone, which number 2 display. This is the model of display model. Next is the sensor, camera. Next is the memory and storage. Next is this SoC or the system on chip. Then battery. Next is the modem. So kini siya tanan part ni siya sa smartphone, ug wala ni siya mawalang isa kanila di ma-useless ang imong smartphone. So this is my system model for the question number 2. That's all, ma'am, and thank you, and God bless us all.